Welcome to the cooler depot. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand. This is a countertop heated displays. Let me give you the measurements first. For the unit's overall length, about like 13 and 3/4 inches wide. And depth of the unit is about like 19 inches deep. And the overall height of the unit is about like 27.5 inches tall. So as we can see, they have a temperature display at the front and also have access swing doors at the front too. And they have a small water drinks at the bottoms right here for the pantries. And when we see the side of the units, they do have a ETL sanitation stickers and cut sheets and detail of the units and the brand's names. And we can take a look behind. So when we look at back of the units, they do have switchers to control the temperatures, and also have switchers right here, and indicators show the informations, and also the plugs for the units. From this one, they're coming from the 110 standard plugs, and this door also can access. You can open it. Let me give the inner side dimensions. For the top layers, they are about like 12 inches deep. And the middle layers about 13 inches deep. And the bottom layers, it's about like 14 inches deep. And the overall height for the inner side about like 17 inches. And between the two racks about like 12 inches wide. For this unit, they also come and have a top layers. You can put some stuff right here and also have a lights to bring it up. So this will be all information about the units. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.